So this video shows you the process of framing one of my colour pencil portraits. I thought it would be quite a nice idea just to video the different stages of framing. I use a local framer, Westgate Fine Art, which is in a little village very close to me actually. The guys there are absolutely fantastic. They are so knowledgeable. They give me all of the help I need with framing options. They'll talk to clients and they just do a really good job of framing. So enjoy. The glass that I'm using on this particular portrait is the non-reflective glass, which you can kind of get a gist of, you know, when we're sort of moving the glass around and everything. There are times where you can't actually see whether there's any glass there, which is quite exciting. So yeah, enjoy the video and I hope it's useful.